People think discipline means 5 a.m. alarms, cold showers, or just forcing yourself to suffer. Honestly, that's a myth. Real discipline isn't about pain. It's about little systems that make good choices automatic. And trust me, I sucked at discipline for years until I found 6 discipline hacks that finally stuck. Hack number 6 literally saved my career, so stick around for that one. By the end, I'll give you a simple 7-day starter plan so you can lock in one habit starting today. Hack number 1, reduce friction. Most of us don't fail because we are lazy. We fail because getting started feels like a mountain. I used to plan workouts, get home tired, and the thought of changing clothes just killed my motivation. So I never started. What changed? I put my shoes by the door, packed my gym bag the night before, and switched to short 20-minute workouts. Suddenly, starting was easier than skipping. So here's your move. Pick one habit you want and make every first step ridiculously easy. Something you can do in 30 seconds. That's how you break the friction. Okay, little starts build momentum. Now let's make momentum stick. Hack number 2, the 5-minute rule. Big tasks feel overwhelming, so I trick myself. I'll just do 5 minutes. That's it. When I started writing scripts, I'd sit down for 5 minutes. 9 out of 10 times, I kept going. Here's what you can try. Set a 5-minute timer and just start. If you quit after 5, that's fine. You built a win. Repeat tomorrow. Those micro wins add up fast. And quick check. If this 5-minute trick sounds doable, tap the like button. I'll post a full 30-day discipline challenge in the pinned comment. And if you share this video, you'll help more people build real discipline too. Hack number 3, identity over willpower. Willpower is like a battery. It drains. But identity, that sticks. Instead of saying, I want to write more, say, I'm a writer, and writers write every day. That tiny shift makes choices easier because now you're acting like who you already are. Try this. Finish this sentence. I'm the kind of person who... Say it in the mirror, or even better, drop it in the comments. That one sentence can anchor your mornings. Hack number 4, design your environment. Discipline isn't really about self-control. It's about defaults. I used to snack all the time because chips were sitting in my cupboard. The fix? I stopped buying them. Problem solved. Here's something you can do today. Spend 10 minutes on an environment audit. Remove one temptation and add one cue for a good habit. Here's an example. No phones at the dinner table and leave a notebook right where you sit. Make the good choice the easy choice. So far, we've made starting easier. We've rewired identity and we've redesigned our space. Now let's make it social. Hack number 5, use accountability. We'll let ourselves down, but not our friends. When I started running, the only reason I showed up on tired days was because I told a friend I'd be there. I didn't want to let them down. Here's a quick system. Pick a person or group, announce a specific commitment, like I'll post a photo after I do it, and report back. That social friction is stronger than any app. And listen, if you don't have someone to be accountable to, type the word accountable in the comments. Connect with someone who does the same and partner up right here. And hack number 6, reward progress, not perfection. This one changed everything for me. When I was learning UI UX design, I kept quitting because I wasn't perfect. My fix? I set tiny rewards. Every 3 days of practice, I'd give myself something small, like a new pen or 10 minutes of my favorite show. Not big, not expensive, but enough to keep me going. And soon, 3-day streaks turned into 2 weeks, then months. That little system built the momentum I'd been missing. Here's what I suggest. Pick a reward you'll give yourself at 3 days, 7 days, and 30 days. Keep it small and consistent. And don't just trust your memory, track it. A strict calendar, even crossing off days on paper, is worth gold. Most important, celebrate progress, not perfection. Alright, let's make it real. Here's a simple 7-day discipline challenge that you can start today. Day 1, audit your triggers. Notice one area where you sleep. Maybe scrolling, skipping workouts, or overspending. Day 2, create your 30-second start. Shoes by the door, notebook open, glass of water ready. Day 3, do the 5-minute win. Just 5 minutes of the habit, stop if you want. Day 4, write your identity statement. I'm the kind of person who, put it where you'll see it. Day 5, fix your environment. Remove one temptation, add one cue. Day 6, find an accountability partner. Tell a friend or comment accountable and reply to someone here. And day 7, celebrate and reflect. Reward yourself for 6 days straight, then ask, what worked, what was hard, what will I adjust? If one of these hacks landed with you, try it today and tell me which one in the comments. I read every single reply. Hit like if you learned something, save this video for later, and subscribe for more practical self-growth and entrepreneurship tips. And one last thing. In the next video, I'll show you how to turn these hacks into a full productivity system you can actually use alongside your business. Don't miss it.